Here's our 2010 Chevy Equinox front wheel drive. There's a light hit in the front. Motor's running. You can hear there's no knocks or dings or anything like that. Hood shuts nice. All the lines line up. Tires are in pretty good condition. There is 20,000 miles. Looks to be at least a quarter inch of tread there. I would say at least 60-70% tread life left. It's no dents. With the color, you can't see any scratches. Again, it is only a front wheel drive. It does have the backup camera. Stuff out of here. Spare tire underneath. It's only 2 rows of seating. It does not have rear DVD. We'll go for a little ride. It is the 2-tone leather interior. Currently 21,000 miles. Overall average 27 miles per gallon. There is a backup camera, as you can see in the back. No moonroof. All the leather is really nice. There's no rips, tears, dings, or anything like that in the leather. Back seat. We bought this Acadia when it had approximately, I think, 18,000 miles on it. Currently has 21,000. So we put about 3,000 miles on this vehicle. We recently took it out to a trip to Yellowstone National Park. About 1,000 miles each way. Made it there and back, no problems whatsoever. Doing about 50 miles an hour, 55. See, I'm not touching the steering wheel. I hit the brakes, still not touching the steering wheel. The car never swerved. No navigation, but there is plenty of storage. Glove box. And again, I'll let go of the steering wheel, not touching it. We're still going straight down the road. If you have any questions, please feel free to email.